Hi there, we're having a look at our letter W. W says W, 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 W. The letter W sits on the ground line and it touches along the grass line. It's not a tall letter, so it won't reach up to the sky, and it doesn't have a tail, so it won't be going to the underground line. Now, W is part of the U family, so it has that cup shape in there. And in our letter W, it has the two cups, which makes it look a bit different from our letter U. So let's have a look at doing that. Our starting point is here on the grass, and I'm going down to the ground, doing that cup shape, coming back up to the grass. I stop, and now I'm going to go back down the same line again, down to the ground, do that second cup shape, up to the grass, and now I do that little flick, just like we saw on the letter B. Now, what we're looking for when we do our letter W is trying to get those two cup shapes looking pretty similar. So let's try it again. It's that cup, cup, flick. Okay, starting at the grass, down to the ground, cup, down to the ground, cup, and flick. So like I said, it's a little way to help you remember how many cups to do is just to say it out loud to yourself. Cup, cup, flick. Cup, cup, flick. That will help you out because sometimes when we see people learning to do the letter W, they might get a bit confused and they might start to have this many cups, and it's looking a bit crazy at the moment. So we don't want to have three. We just need the two cups with a flick. When we do our flick, we also want to make that just small. So we've got our cup, cup, and we don't want to have a big flick on there because then it can start to also look like another cup, and then our letter W is not being formed correctly. Okay. One more thing with our letter W is when we're coming back down the center part here, we don't want to spread off. So we don't want to do our cup and then go across like this. And you can see how it's made this really big gap here in the middle. Our letter W doesn't have that. We need to be going up and then down the same line. Okay, so we shouldn't have this big gap here in the middle. All right, so one more practice and saying it out loud to yourself as you do it. Cup, cup, flick. And if you practice that, you'll be really good at doing your letter W. See you next time. Bye, everyone.